So maybe you're interested in vlogging, you know, making videos talking to your camera or your smartphone. US Key Vision actually made it ridiculously easy for you. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short, product review.
Mr. Black.
This is actually a really quality kit that you get. First off, it comes in a really nice hard case. You get one of those bendy tripod things, which is actually a lot better than most that I've seen out there. That way you can set it up on different spots, or you can wrap it around a pole, or you can do the classic Casey Neistat thing and hold it out and kind of have that bend to it. And I love the idea of this ball head where you can move it around where you want to, like a normal ball head, but it has this locking mechanism, so it is gonna be really sturdy. And I think that that's really cool. I've never seen that before. On top of that, as you can see, it has a really nice little phone holder. But maybe you don't wanna do vlogging with your phone, and that's fine. You could take this thing off and you could put it on any camera you want. So they also include with this a light, which also has some different controls, so you can change the color temperature or the brightness as well. And they also include their external microphone. And with this microphone, it comes with a foam muff, or you can have a really heavy duty dead cat. Depending on how windy it is out there, you pop this thing on and that will take care of all of that wind noise. And there we go. We have a vlogging kit ready to go. It's actually pretty cool. It seems like it's working really well. Obviously, I don't need to have the light on because it's bright out here. If it was windier, I'd put this on, but I think that this is perfect. I'll be honest, this is a very impressive system. I actually think that this is really cool. I think of like my dad, if he was looking for something like this, I would recommend this to him instead of saying, you know, get the microphone from this company and the light from this company. It would just be so easy for me to just recommend an all-in-one kit like this one. And guess what? It only costs $66. And do check the link down in the description, because sometimes I have coupon codes and sometimes there's sales and it might even be cheaper. Hey, and if you love this, let me know in the comments, because I'm gonna be giving one of these away to one of you lucky viewers and commenters down there on a future live stream. So make sure you leave a comment, click the bell, and hopefully you win. It'd be great. All right, well there we go. That's another short, not short product review, and I'll see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.